Premium Seal HGX High Gloss X-treme will work for almost any surface you have, including concrete pavers, granite, marble, limestone, manufactured stone, and in this case, wet cast. Let's review our easy 4-step process and you'll see what HGX can do for your project surface. Let's get started. Step 1. Clean. Wait 28 days after installing polymeric sand before sealing. Thoroughly sweep surface of joint sand or loose material. Spot clean if needed with one of the SRW Specialty Clean products. Then prepare surface with an SRW Products General Purpose Cleaner. In this case, the surface was cleaned the day before by our dual wash, so we just used a leaf blower to blow the surface clean. Step 2. Climate. After cleaning, wait at least 24 hours before sealing. Surface and joints must be completely dry. Recommended application temperatures are 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, from installation through the cure process. Do not apply if inclement weather is forecasted within 24 hours. Step 3. Apply. Stir thoroughly. Pro tip: in some projects, you will need to cut in along edges or walls to completely seal the project. This can be easily done with a paintbrush. We recommend doing this step first if needed on your project area. Apply with an SRW Products approved slit foam roller and sprayer. For best results, spray, then back roll. This prevents an uneven finish. A 2-person application is recommended. Start at the highest project elevation. Do not allow sealer to pool on surface or in joints. Repeat if desired. Step 4. Cure. Allow sealed area to dry and cure 24 hours. Protect area from water and rain until dry. Dry tack-free, 25 minutes. Foot traffic, 24 hours. Vehicle traffic, 72 hours. If you want your surface protected by the best, use an SRW Products sealer. To learn more about this product, visit our website srwproducts.com.